Lala, dumarami daw ang populasyon ng Chinese students sa
Saan?
Cagayan.
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 Bakit sa Cagayan?
Alamin natin, mula sa Dean ng San Beda Graduate School of Law at Consultant, Cagayan State University, Father Ranhilio Aquino. Father Aquino, long time, si Lala kasama ko, si
Father,
Igan to.
magandang umaga po.
Good morning, Igan. Good morning, Lala. Good morning.
Napansin nyo
Good
rin ba
morning.
yung biglang pagdami ng populasyon ng mga Chinese students, particular sa Cagayan, sa Tugigaraw?
Yes, maliwanag yan. Napakadami sila dito. And what is surprising is that they all claim to be enrolled in the graduate schools of some universities.
Okay.
Wala sila dito sa Cagayan State University. Hindi namin sila tinatanggap. Pero there are some universities that accept them at ang nakapagtataka, Igan and Lala, is that they claim to be taking graduate studies but they cannot speak English. So they bring translators along with them. And then the other disturbing phenomenon is that pag nagrenta sila ng isang bahay or even a hotel, they rent the entire hotel, they offer to rent it for long periods, like 5 years. Pero ayaw ng mga hotel owners. So, but and the other thing is, they are not only in Cagayan, no? According to our parish priests, who are in our northwestern parishes, so adjacent talaga to the West Philippine Sea, ang dami din nila, and obviously they are not studying there because there is no university there, but they are very many in that parish also.